now let's turn our attention to Bihar. Political parties are going all out in Bihar to woo voters as campaigning for the third and final phase of the election enters its last hour. Personal attacks continued even on the last day of campaigning. Chirag Paswan took a jibe at Congress, saying that they have conceded defeat by raking up the EVM issue. Meanwhile, RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav was seen questioning the NDA as well over price rises. Now, Bihar goes to polls on the 7th of November and the results out on the 10th of November. Let me in fact go across to Ayushman, who has been on ground getting us details and getting us the mood as far as Bihar is concerned. Ayushman, we of course know this has now become it's a very vicious battle in Bihar. This is the last hour of campaigning. We've seen a lot of war of words amidst the political parties, the leaders of the political parties. But where are you right now, and what can you tell us at this point in time?
Well, Avni, we are in Darbhanga right now, and behind me you can see those vehicles. The campaign vehicles are making a beeline. It's the last hour. The vehicles are coming here, and they'll be from at 5 p.m. We'll be seeing the campaign stop in this region. This is the final phase of polling that we will be seeing here. This is the BJP headquarters in Darbhanga, where we are standing right now, and the campaign mode is on currently. You don't see anybody here because everybody, including every worker, is out there in field campaigning for the party for one last moment, trying to woo the voters. In fact, I have got few people also with me, Avni, to talk on issues which matters in this poll mostly. आप बता रहे थे यहाँ पर सड़क की क्या स्थिति है, मुद्दे क्या रहते हैं आप लोगों के लिए यहाँ जब आप वोट करते हैं तो?
मुद्दा सर यहाँ सड़क का रहता है। यहाँ पे कहीं पे नाला नहीं है, नहीं कहीं पे सड़क पे टॉयलेट का भी सुविधा है, और जाम बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा रहता है। कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है, गाड़ी का इधर से आएगा इधर से आएगा, कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है।
पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के कैंपेनिंग को जब आप देखते हैं, आप बता रहे थे, जब आप देखते हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ की कैंपेनिंग को, एक युवा हैं आप, कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं उससे, क्या मुद्दे रहेंगे आप जिस पर वोट देंगे?
सर, हम तो यही बताना चाहते हैं कि एनडीए जिस तरह से भी काम किया है नीतीश सरकार ने, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा। और सर ऐसा सीएम
का मुद्दा कौन सा है?
मुद्दा तो सर रोजगार रहेगा, लेकिन फिलहाल हम बिहार
पे काम हुआ है, रोजगार पे काम हुआ है?
नहीं, रोजगार पे तो नहीं काम हुआ है, लेकिन फिर भी जनता को बहुत हद तक विकास दिया है सर उन्होंने। आज के युग में जैसे बिजली हर गली गली, और रास्ता का तो सर वर्णन नहीं कीजिए। बहुत हमारे घर के सामने ग्राम पंचायत से हम लोग बिलोंग करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा रास्ता है।
ये बोल रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा रास्ता,
क्या चीज़?
ये बोल रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा रास्ता है इनके घर के आगे, बढ़िया।
नहीं कहेंगे, हम तो टेक्नीशियन है, फील्ड में घूमते हैं ना, तो भैया घर जाते आते होंगे। हम लोग तो अभी जा रहे हैं यहाँ से सीधा लहरियासराय।
आप बता दें यहाँ सालों भर पानी जमा रहता है?
अभी पानी बंद है तो अभी राहत है, नहीं तो बारिश होता है तो पूरा हर जगह पानी मिलेगा आपको ज़्यादातर।
नेता लोग सुनते हैं आपकी बातों को, कभी कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं नेता लोगों के भाषण से? कभी लगता है हवाई बात होती रहती है?
नहीं, रियल बात होती है, जो भी होती है संजय सरावगी जी करते हैं। गरीबों को मदद करते हैं, जो भी है भर देते हैं।
इस चुनाव में सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा आपके लिए क्या है?
कोई नहीं, संजय सरावगी जी जीते। और मुद्दा क्या रहेगा? वही बेरोजगारी है।
बेरोजगारी है बस। काम हुआ है बेरोजगारी पे?
थोड़ा मोड़ा हुआ है, उसको और क्रिएट किया जाए तो और बेटर रहेगा।
You see, Avni, what we have seen in the first and second phase, that is also resonating out here. The job, unemployment is a factor that is definitely in mind. Infrastructure development is something, when you go in Bihar, you talk to people, that comes to the fore. But how will the voting take place? Will the voting take place on these issues? That remains a bigger question. Avni, back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman, and you've been getting us a lot of voices over the last several days, and of course we've heard that some of these important issues as far as the Bihar elections are concerned. But in the last few days, from the first two phases of elections, the places that you have visited, have you sort of noticed any sort of a difference in the kind of issues that people are looking for, people are voting for, or is there one or two single point focuses across the board that you found?
Well, Avni, if you talk about Pan-Bihar situation, employment is something which has emerged as a single agenda, which is resonating amongst many, not just with the youth, but also people who are in the upper age group. They're saying something that employment and migration are two issues which need the government's attention. Infrastructure development, we have seen the hospital story from Darbhanga. In fact, the place where I am standing right now, not very far from here is the Darbhanga hospital, from where we have seen the collapsed wall and the apathy of the medical infrastructure in the in Darbhanga. That is definitely there in mind, Avni. But if you talk about one key issue, at least when you talk to the voters, unemployment and job requirement is something which is resonating on ground, which is there in everyone's mind. Now, how much of that will shape the electorate, that remains to be seen. But for now, if you talk about one issue, that is the particular issue which we are getting to see and hear from every youth or every section of voter that we are interacting with, Avni.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details and getting us those voices as well. These are the voices from on ground, the voices which tell us what the main issues as far as the Bihar election is in fact concerned. But let's now turn our attention to this comment that was made by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over the CAA, and then it was referred to by Nitish Kumar as well. Just listen in, it has created a big controversy.
कटियार और आसपास का क्षेत्र घुसपैठ की समस्या से त्रस्त रहता है और घुसपैठ की समस्या का भी समाधान मोदी जी ने निकाला है। भारत सरकार ने इस बात को भी कहा है, अगर कोई घुसपैठ या भारत की सुरक्षा पर सेंध लगाने का कुत्सित प्रयास कर रहा है, उसे निकाल बाहर करने का कार्य भी करेंगे।
कौन दुष्प्रचार करता रहता, फालतू बात करता रहता है, यहां से कौन किसको देश से बाहर करेगा? ऐसा इस देश में किसी में दम नहीं है कि हमारे लोगों को, सब हिंदुस्तान के हैं, सब भारत के हैं, कौन इसको बाहर करेगा साहब? ये सब कैसी बात करते रहते हैं यूं ही। कुछ लोग चाहते हैं समाज में झगड़ा चलता रहे, कोई काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, और हम तो काम करते रहते हैं। और हमारा मकसद यही है कि जब सब लोग प्रेम से, भाईचारे से, सद्भावना के साथ रहेंगे, तभी समाज आगे बढ़ेगा।
All right, let's cut across to Nitish Kumar at the moment, who is speaking at a rally.
अंत भला तो सब भला। अब आप बताइए, वोट दीजिएगा ना इनको? हाथ उठा के बताइए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हम इनको जीत का माला समर्पित कर दें, जीत का माला समर्पित करें।
That was Nitish Kumar, probably the last rally now just before the last leg of campaigning. In fact, in Bihar at the moment, 5 p.m. is when campaigning ends. This is for the third and the final phase of the Bihar elections, which will go to vote on Saturday. Let me in fact go across to Tanvi Shukla, who's joining me on the phone line. So Tanvi, this is the last leg of campaigning and it has been extremely bitter in terms of the kind of war of words that we've seen amongst political parties, even amongst allies as well.
Yes, but Avni, I just want to go back to what we just heard, and we're going to try and play it out for our viewers one more time. These comments that Nitish Kumar has made in a very direct way, or maybe in an attempt to play out an emotional card, but he has just said, this is my last election. On the last day of campaign, before the third phase of polls, for the chief ministerial phase of the NDA, for the man who's been at the helm of affairs in Bihar for 3 consecutive terms now, for Nitish Kumar to make this kind of a comment is a big declaration. And he's saying, this is my last chance, this is my last election. one needs to, maybe get a few experts also to try and help us understand what is it that he is playing at. Is it coming in from a sense of, being cornered this election season, being overpowered by their own allies, especially by the BJP, being constantly attacked by another former ally, which is the LJP, becoming the biggest target, obviously, for Tejasvi and all of the opposition, being questioned about, his absence in the last several months in the run-up to this election. And if all of that is playing on his minds to the point where now he's made two big comments today. First one, like you were mentioning, is perhaps an indirect jibe at Yogi Adityanath for the comments that he made about CAA. And the second one here now, saying that this is could be my last election, and perhaps, the last time that I'm here to ask for your votes and get a chance.
Yes, absolutely, Tanvi. That is, in fact, extremely last comment of the last, perhaps what is going to be the last rally as far as Nitish Kumar is concerned before campaigning ends for this phase of the election. Thank you so much for putting that into perspective for us. We'll, of course, try and get in some more views and expert comments on what really it could possibly imply and the meaning of all of this. But for now, we're going to slip into a very quick break.